Kakasi Students Union Nongmen Song Unit, haka katsan terik unaitung arajar arpusan kalik bini kendo yu menteri ketenat boarding kejelau iti bandal, ban ujor halor ke jingkiau kensan ke baitang boarding, haka BSUP Housing Complex. Haba keren kilat patai kubor hadirin ke jing kendo yu menteri, u presiden ke KSU Nongmen Song Unit ujadi potmi. Ulito bagaseng kalayo jing ujor ni pait ba bamenta ke kenti ke baitang boarding, kalakiau kensan. Haka ba menchua, kabai tang boarding kapoi tang sanspa ni hendrus pa shibenai. Hendrai hadin bal pendat di smart meter kalapoi hado arajar tengka mana ubenai. Ulito penagaliang ke KSU kala kentu yu menteri bakantu klarlang halor kania namar kibasa akane ke housing complex kidai kibasyu belasngi bat kidai ni kilong yang kibadok. Hakane kejing kendo nak kaliang menteri lo kulareki bon lum kerke e kejing elang haka katnru tarik bancong perkat halor kania. Habayekran bat menteri ketenat permi boarding u eti mondal ulaong bahalor kene gamat uliyatho ba un seshimkia ban kemi egejingkeu kabil ha ki balapendat di smart meter ba kene kalau hadin kejing kendo ya kinong elam ke KSU menteri uliyatho ba un sapha toket kene egejingkeu kabil ha ka bakila pendat ya artli ki meter marjan kenang balak man pene per egejing shnabil by boarding daga bagdauru bagi smart meter kidik balabo daga tenat permi boarding bat baro ki jela ki la pentri kami smart meter bakumta ki don kamen pentri kami ni smart meter haga jela ulong bat halor kini gejing uong ba ansia kran ba chairman bat managing director jong MEECL hadin gejing wan paina Delhi bat un sepersang ru ban penbet ekne kam haga tayo kebanwan
Wan man kalau ba bai dai bat ka isu ka ba sa lagi senang ka bai dai bat ka jing kaliang jong ka सरकार या मीटर में या निकम किबु दाउ repeat postpaid meter but din katu kami bat kila kiliang sa smart prepaid meter te kredit masih menjatuh ya kan ni kalau ba nikom ki nong songwai ba song te po ka yeng bura ki sio ya ka belai tak ka kemba sanspa neng duspa tahu ka arna te mendapat lu kiliang yu smart prepaid meter ka jingsio kalong masih 100% hingga 100% hingga tentang kepoi kispa next pasan pun dah haksis ni kata mo haksis ni dan plus but kami tercharge kat reason sama haksis ni pi lagi kenya kata kan 100% hingga haksis ni la ken hak like post yang sibnai la poi lagi 8,000 plus but to buy meter charge long sibnai long pasan pun de borok itip yakta bagi nong songwai nanti ha ka yim da di kibrio kilong ye kiwan naga nong ye baduk badnai di nyok jengkot bat kibrio ngilam ong bagi ba trai mesti ba demit de ke gejing bagi nong songwai kiwan ban ut ban nam sngi kolong ke sa ba na ba sokta sa mar ba hadu ini tip sa yakta ba ka bayang teru ka bagi sio kan dai kenai spa si penamo si sio yang mudah kenai spa si nak tarong bayang bat ka bai like bat kan boy ha du lai hajar ka si benar ta na kalian lagi mlak yang ya ta im tep ya ke ga jumut ba ka sarkar ka kalian ya li umida ani im tep ke ya don ke ga jitu mus ndak mlak tep ya ta te na kalian jungi nilai kenduk info musta bat ka jing kenduk jungi kalau pasiso te imai la kelar ba ini ba pet ya ni isu but ila kan do bahasa ini ba ila bang ba in sakot ka review meeting bahasa ben saya la ya ni isu
the Kashi student unions they have come and met me gave a representation also raising issues of overbilling in BSUP housing complex at Nahom Insho. I told them that I will look into the matter, find out whatever grievances they have put forward. I will look into all those grievances. No, actually my CMD and director both are out of station. They have gone to attend some meeting in Delhi. The moment they are back, we will be discussing. This week I am also going up for NERPC meeting, Northeast Regional Power Committee's meeting. So basically this week I will be also out of station. So next week we will try to resolve the issue. See, a smart meter is being mandated by Ministry of Power, and all the states are implementing smart meters. Accordingly, we need to also implement a smart meter. The question of overbilling will be looked into, and if needed, we can have 2 meters put side by side to see exactly how the difference is coming. So these issues will be looked into. There are lots of problems, including wrong billing, including suppressed billing, including not the billing going on time to the consumers, then accumulating the bills. All these issues are taken care of by smart meters. It is helping the distribution utility. That's why it is not only in Meghalaya, but entire country it has been mandated now.